What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Yaadi Girl Flavor, and I'm back with this delicious recipe. We're gonna make a quick seafood soup. So here I have some shrimp that I got from a farmer's market. I have cleaned them, but still maintaining that shell on them. And then I am wash them with some lime and vinegar, and here I am going in with some seasoning. I have garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and I have a complete seasoning. This one is salt free. Once I did that, I marinate that and set that aside. Then here I have my pot of water. I'm trying to flavor the broth. I have some onion, some pimento, and some thyme. Here I am trying to get that seasoning in on the shrimp. So the flavor is not just on the outside of the shell, but on the inside. So here I have my water start to boil. I'm adding my carrot. And you can cook this soup any way to your liking. I'm adding carrots, and before was in there was just onion, pimento, and thyme. Now I'm adding some sweet potato. This is the American sweet potato for my Jamaican viewers. Then I'm going in with 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm adding in some potato. Then we're gonna go in with our dumpling soon. I love dumpling. Comment below if you love dumpling like how I love dumpling. So my husband is helping me out. He has kneaded flour and he's adding in the dumplings for me. As you can see, there's like 2 different and going in and out. This was a cold Saturday night, so this soup was definitely welcomed, and it was flavorful and delicious. You can add any seafood to this, or you can just leave out the meat or the seafood if you don't want it. You can do so much to this to make it your own. But I'll definitely put in the description box below what I use in this recipe. So here our pot is still bubbling with all our food, got bunny pepper, seasoning, and I'm gonna go in soon with my shrimp. The shrimp is pretty easy to cook, so you want to put that in at the last minute. So this is what we have after a while. I'm going in with some kale. This is not your traditional Jamaican soup, but I'm going in with some kale. I had it in the fridge and I didn't want it to waste or go bad. So I'm like, why not add this kale in this soup? Definitely adding more nutrients and flavor to this broth. As I said, this guys was so delicious and welcoming on this cold Saturday night. And I'll definitely put in the description box all that I have, all the ingredients and stuff. But you can definitely change this up and make it your own. Ensuring it's not sticking at the bottom. So I'm gonna go in soon with my shrimp because most of my food has already cooked, and it's just carrot, sweet potato, regular potato in here, and dumpling. So I'm going in now with my shrimp. The shrimp doesn't take that long to cook, and that's why you can add it towards the end, or any seafood. It doesn't take that long to cook. So you want to add that towards the end. So I'm just moving that around so the shrimp can start getting some of that heat. as you can see, started to change color already and form that C shape. So they're gonna cook pretty quickly. And these were not frozen shrimp, these were fresh shrimp that you can get by the pound from our local farmers market. Going in with some cock soup. If you have the fish tea one, you can definitely use a fish tea one as well. If you don't like the noodles, you can definitely strain and get rid of the noodles. So this soup is so thick now, guys, out of nowhere. Let's keep moving. I don't want that pepper to burst, so I'm taking it out so it doesn't burst. Because we don't want no pepper pot soup. I'm getting rid of some of that thyme because the leaf have already fell off. I want to be able to enjoy the soup. I don't want it to be like spicy to the point where, okay, nobody can eat it. So that's why I removed them. As I said, this was just a quick soup. Like, you can add or take away or even improve this soup to your liking. And this is it. It's literally ready. And here we are with our bowls. We're gonna serve up our soup. I'm using a mug or a teacup to pour the soup. And I'm going to give you guys a close-up of this. So this is our close-up, guys. And this soup was so full of shrimp. Listen.